Question is like this. Question number 10th, part 1. Right? There is a circle. There is a circle like this. Right? Who is having this is the center and CD is passing through the center. Right? CD is passing through the center as well as A is also passing through the AB. AB we will not say. It is A is passing through center like this. This is B. This is we have B. Right? And now there is a line from D to B. We will take this C and this D. Right? And now we pass a line from here like this. So this point of intersection is where it is intersecting the circle, that is E. Right? And it is 40 centimeter. This is of of 40 centimeter. Sorry, 40 degree. This angle is of 40 degree. Right? This angle is of given you 75 degree. So 75 degree. So how you will get this? How you will solve? Right?
Angle at the center is double.
What you have to find?
Angle CDE.
We have to find angle
CDE.
angle CDE and
OBE.
huh?
And angle OEB.
Angle OBE. Where is O? OBE. Okay. You know. So angle CED. So angle ECD is equal to 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. So CED is of 90 degree. This is of 90 degree. So in triangle, so in triangle CED by angle sum property of triangle angle ECD plus angle ECD plus EDC plus angle CED is equal to 180 degree, right? So how much you will get? ECD, it is of 40 degree, plus EDC we have to find now.
CDE.
See, CED तो we have done,
CEE we have to find.
huh?
CDE.
CDE, हाँ तो वही तो कर रहा हूँ, चाहे CDE लिखो, इसको चाहो तो आप ऐसे लिखो, ये जो एंगल है इसके वर्टेसिस आप चेंज कर दो, सिर्फ बात तो वही है ना, ये हो गया एंगल CDE, राइट? तो एंगल CDE प्लस एंगल CED इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री, इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री। अब कितना हुआ?
130.
एंगल CDE is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree becomes 50 degree, right? So this is of CDE, angle CDE is of 50 degree, is it? What else?
OBE.
Here is O.
Center.
OBE we have to find. Okay. So how we will go with this? This is of 90 degree. So here you can write angle DEC plus angle BEC is equal to 180 degree linear pairs of angle. Linear pairs of angle. Pairs of angle. So this is angle DEC is of 90 degree. So angle BEC is of 180. क्या? BEC, yeah, BEC is equal to 180 minus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. So this will be of 90 degree. Huh? No need to go with this. We can go like this. In triangle, this is 105 degree. Huh? So you can write in triangle B BOD by angle some property of triangle. What happens? What happens? So angle BOD plus angle BDO plus angle OBD is equal to 180 degree, right? And angle BOD is how much? 105 degree plus angle BDO is of 50 degree plus angle OBD is equal to 180 degree. So angle OBD is equal to 180 degree minus 155 degree. So it becomes how much? 25 degree, right? So angle OBD is equal to angle OBE as they are same angles. So angle OBE is equal to angle OBD is equal to 25 degree, or we can say angle OBE is of 25 degree. Done? What is your answer?
25 degree and 50.
So we get this 25 degree,
Yes.
and this angle CDE. So angle CDE is of 50 degree. This is right. We have done this. Okay, come to next. Next part is what? Saying what it is saying. What we have to find?
Angle BCD, angle CBD, BCI and DL.
Okay. Right at this. Now we have part 2. In part 2, what do you have? There is a circle. There is a circle like this. Okay. There is a circle with center. And there is a AD. AD. AD is passing through the center. This is AD. Center is I. And there is BC. BC is a line like this. B and C. Right? Okay. And it is joined like this. It is joined like this. It is joined like this, right? And this triangle is joined like this and this, right? This angle is of 55 degree and this angle is of 65 degree. So angle in a semicircle, angle in a semicircle is of 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle of 90 degree. So angle ABD. ABD. This angle will be is equal to angle ACD is of 90 degree. ये 90 degree के हो गए, right? So now this is 55 is 35. This angle is basically of 35 degree and this angle is of 25 degree, right? What it is asking? What is your question?
BCD. BCD.
B angle BCD. BCD is of 25 degree, right?
Angle CBD.
Angle CBD is of 35 degree. Here
DCI.
DCI.
Yes.
Oh,
65 plus 20. 65 plus 24.
it needs some more concentration, you know. This is how much? This angle is angle BDC is equal to 180 minus 60. 35 plus 25. So it becomes 120 degree. So this is of 120 degree. As all vertices of quadrilateral ABDC lies on circumference of circle. So quadrilateral A B D C A B D C A B D C is cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. And in cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. Opposite angles are supplementary. Right? So it means angle BAC plus angle BDC is equal to 180 degree and BDC is 120 degree. Therefore, angle BAC is of BAC of angle BAC of 180 minus 120 degree. Its value angle BDC is having a value of 120 degree, right? So we put it here, it becomes 60 degree. So this angle is of 60 degree, right? Now if you draw a line like this and this, right? So this is of 60 degree, this angle is of 60 degree. So then we go for here. What do you have to find?
DCI.
By theorem, angle at center is double to angle at any other point on circumference of circle, right? So angle CIB is double of angle BAC. It means 2 into 60 degree becomes 120 degree. So this angle will be of 120 degree, right? Your answer is coming 37.5 degree.
Sixty-two whole 1/2.
You are asking for
Angle DCI.
DCI. DCI. हाँ ठीक है. It is.
BCD और CBD 30 आ रहा है.
हाँ.
BCD और CBD 30 आ रहा है.
BCD और CBD. हाँ. 30 आ रहा है. That is correct. There is no issue, no problem in that. There is. यहाँ पे हमको एक चीज इनकॉर्पोरेट करना पड़ेगा. है BE, sorry, BI and CI bisects angle ABC and angle ACB. So this will be 35. Half is how much? This is 37. It is 37.5. Right? This is 37.5 and this will be of 27.5. This angle. They are bisectors, so they bisect. And when you add these two, right? So you will get angle DCI. DCI is equal to 25 plus 37.5, 62.5 or 62 whole 1/2 degree. What is your answer?
62 whole 9.
So this is we have done. And what they are saying 25, 35, that is not possible. Now because how it can be possible? What you have done?
The two questions I have done, and I have done 11th, third part.
What do you understand? It is exam is perfect because this is when we are taking it 25, then only we are getting 62 whole 1/2 na. If I take 30 this, right, so it becomes 67 point half hona chahiye, so it means there is wrong or it cannot be possible because angle in a semicircle of 90 degree, So this is of 55 degree. So 90 minus 55 becomes 35 degree. And here it is 65. So 90 minus 65 becomes 25 degree. How it can be? ये 90 degree है because they are angle in a semicircle. And this is given as 55, 65. So we subtracted and we get this. Right? So this is no issues. It is somewhat problem in your book. Right? So angle DCI. Anything else?
Yes.
Done? What is your next question? What you have done, man?
Question number 12 and question number 13.
Oh, forget about that. What you are doing? So why you are not able to do the next one? 11 one.
So 11 second part.
Huh?
So 11 second part I am doing.
Second you are doing, that comes wrong.
Yes, sir.
You do the next one. What is your question?
So
Box.
one part. BIC.
B,
IC. 120.
BIC I told you.
One.
120 degree? Oh, from where I get? Yeah. Angle, yeah. This is CIB. I wrote BIC. So what is your answer?
120 degree.
120 degree, na? When this is correct, it means these two are also correct. It is wrongly mentioned in your book. Right? So this is, we can write, or angle BIC is equal to 120 degree. So these four angles we have gone. We got, right? Should I come?
Yes.
I'm going to write all this. Fine. You do the next one. You do the next one. Yeah. Yes. What is your question, man?
A ball is thrown vertically upwards.
So, madam, ball जो है always throwing vertically upwards. What question is this?
11.
Question number 11. From last 2 days, we are doing the same questions.
Yes, sir.
This is the ground, huh? And a ball is thrown vertically upwards. Vertically upwards means like this. This is then polarly
It goes to be it goes to height of 20 meter
it goes height from 20 meter,
and then return to the ground,
20 meter, and then it returns to the ground.
taking acceleration due to gravity g to be 10 meter per second square,
This is going up. Here is G is
10 meter per second square,
minus 10 meter per second square, and when it is coming down, G is plus 10 meter per second square. Then what next you have?
the B part, find the final calculate the
First part क्या है पहले तो?
the initial velocity of the ball.
So at maximum height, at maximum height, at maximum height, V is equal to 0. Then V is equal to 0. Then H is equal to, what you have to find?
The initial velocity of the ball.
Okay, H is equal to ut plus, we take here minus half gt square. No, but T we do not know. Okay, we not use this. We will go for hmm. We will go for this formula. V square is equal to U square minus 2GH. So this is 0 is equal to U square minus 2 into 10 into 20. So it is U square is equal to, when we bring it on the other side, it turns to be plus 400. So taking root over both sides, so U is equal to 20 meter per second, right? So initial velocity U is equal to 20 meter per second. This is the first part.
Yes, sir.
What is your answer?
20 meter per second.
So U is 20 meter per second. Okay. Now
Find the final velocity of the ball on reaching the ground.
yeah,
Find the final velocity of the ball on reaching the ground.
just before start falling down initial velocity u is equal to 0. So again v square is equal to u square plus 2gh. So v square 0 plus 2 into g is 10. And height is 20. So what is your answer?
20 meter per second.
Initial and final both are same.
Yes, sir.
V square and v square. We take root over. So v is equal to 20 meter per second. So final just before hitting the ground, just before hitting the ground, velocity is v is equal to 20 meter per second. Yes, what next?
The total time of journey of the ball.
Total time of flight. Okay. So, h is equal to half gt square. When u is equal to 0. So h is 20 into 2 is equal to 10 t square. So t square is equal to 4 seconds. Taking root over both side, स्क्वायर में होगा ये भी. So ये हो गया t is equal to 2 seconds. this is time from maximum height to ground,
So answer 4 seconds.
or one way time. One way time. Total time of flight. Total time of flight, that is capital T is equal to 2 into one way time. One way time, that is small t. So you can write t is equal to 2 into small t. So 2 into 2 becomes 4 seconds. This is we have. Total time of flight is 4 seconds. Have you got this?
Yes, sir.
So what problem you have, man? Huh? In doing the question, you have done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.